Welcome! I'm Joshua from Expert-Hive Freelance Services. In today's tutorial, I'll show you a simple framework that can turn any assignment into A-grade content, even if you feel stuck. This method works for essays, reports, presentations, reflective papers, everything. Most students don't struggle with writing. They struggle with structure. They don't know what to say first, what to add next, or how to make ideas flow. That's why I teach a universal pattern that works for any topic. It's called the IPE and ERR method. First, IPE. Introduction. Introduce the idea in one clear sentence. Point. State the exact point you want to argue. Evidence. Support it with a fact, example, statistic, quote, or data. Here's a quick example so you can see the difference. Topic. Why teamwork improves productivity in organizations. Before, weak paragraph. Teamwork is important. It helps companies grow and achieve their goals. After, using the framework, teamwork improves productivity because it combines diverse skills. Studies show that collaborative teams complete tasks 30% faster. This matters because organizations rely on speed to stay competitive. In real life, companies like Google achieve better innovation through team-based problem solving. Reference: Smith, 2022. Before, teamwork is important. It helps companies grow and achieve their goals. This example is vague and lacks specific evidence. This matters because organizations rely on speed to stay competitive. In real life, companies like Google achieve better innovation through team-based problem solving. You can use this pattern for case studies, research papers, critical reviews, or even take-home exam questions. Just follow the flow, IPERR for each paragraph. This consistent structure not only improves clarity, but also helps you meet grading rubrics more effectively, boosting your overall scores by 20 to 30%. If you want help reviewing your assignment, editing your work, or getting expert guidance, Expert-Hive is here for you. Click the link in the description, and let's help you submit A-grade content every time. Expert-Hive Freelance Services is your partner for academic success.